Alright, so kung na-download nyo na yung DOST-ASTI VRS into the Play Store, so if you will open the app, you will see the main menu, which is this. Makikita nyo sa screen nyo ngayon. So we have 4 main menus on the app. So the ASTI GRS, the Davao GRS, Iloilo GRS, and satellites, which we will explore later. Disclaimer lang ulit, so DOST-ASTI VRS does not use VR goggles as of today or as of this moment, because we made this game accessible for everyone by making it a typical game which is familiar for everyone. So, yung initiative namin kasi dito is to replace the physical facility tour with nito. Kasi nga, hindi na tayo makapag-tour physically dun sa mga facilities. So, ito yung ginawa namin. So, this was made by the initiative of PEDRO team and Corpcom. So, Gerald C. as the main developer. Yung app na to is made from the cross-platform game development tool, which is Unity. And as of now, this is only available on Android operating systems. I think Android 8 later. So, yun. Pwede naman natin siyang import into an iOS. So, later na lang yon. But yung VR version nito is under development pa din as of now. Okay, so the first one that we will be touring is the ASTI ground receiving station. So, ayan. Before that, I will discuss to you the basic controls of how to navigate the app. So, kung makikita nyo sa screen nyo, so we have the options here. So, we have the main menu, the left and right joystick, then the button under in the bottom of the screen. So, yung nasa left side nyo is yung for movement. So, typical lang na controls in the typical game setup or game sa mobile. So, left, right, up, down. So, para yan sa movement. Then, yung nasa right screen nyo is yung digital joystick for panning ng view. So, typical lang din. And then, you can also use this button, the bottom right beside the digital joystick na gumagamit ng panning, which is jump. And then, to navigate or interact with the objects, so, meron kayong makikitang eye icon here where it will display the information regarding that object. Okay, so pasok na tayo ulit. So, napakita ko na tong yung actual facility na to dun sa mga naunang slides. So, as much as possible, we made it look like 90%. So, yan. Bear with me. So, this also serves as our workstations as well as a conference room where we held our meetings. Then, selfie spot din to ng mga nagtutour nung pre-pandemic pa. And almost nagsisiksikan sila dito. And every week, lagi kaming may facility tour na i-manage dito sa room na to. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 5 screens. So, I'll explain it to you one by one. So, the first screen is this one. So, this is the CCTV monitor for the radome, the satellite tracking antenna, and the servers na nasa likod natin. Okay, the second one will be the satellite dashboard. So, ano nga ba yung gamit ng satellite dashboard na to? So, dito natin o-operate yung mga Diwata microsatellites. It is where we upload the commands to task the satellite to take picture in a specific area. What camera to use, and this also used to monitor the health status of the satellite by telemetry data. So, kung nakikita nyo, yung dalawang green dyan is yung status or yung battery ng ating Diwata 2 microsatellite. Okay. After capture nun, this dashboard is used to download the data and repacket the images for processing. Also, kung maaalala nyo kanina, diniscuss ko na we are also responsible for the mission planning of the satellites. So, ano ba yung nangyayari dun sa mission planning natin? How it works? So, we have 4 main procedure. So, number 1 is plan. Una muna, yung ground receiving station natin prepares the commands for the satellites. These commands contain specific instructions for capturing specific areas of interest or AOIs. So, yun ang una. Pangalawa, upload. Dun sa upload process, when the satellite is in flyby, the antenna is in GRS communicate with the satellite. This enables the DRS to monitor the health status of the satellite and upload relevant or necessary commands. Then, pagkatapos ng upload, is we will capture the actual image. So, upon successful upload of the commands from the GRS, the satellite can now capture the area of interest. Then, yung pang last procedure will be the download. After the satellite captures images of the AOI, the GRS will download the data upon the next pass. So, yung satellite images na yon will be processed later on for distribution sa mga nangangailangan na government agencies and other institutions or other stakeholders. So, yun yung mission planning. Okay. So, proceeding with the second screen, we have here what we call the telemetry demodulation control interface. So, ano nga bang ginagawa nitong telemetry demodulation interface na to? So, ito yung signal control interface wherein we are preparing the command to be transmitted. Dito natin din turn on or off yung RF signal amplifier or signal modulation and sweep control. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong i-elaborate kasi for some of you, this may be some kind of jargons. So, this is for that can only be understood by technical people. Then, the third screen, ito. So, kung makikita nyo, ito yung tinatawag nating satellite tracker visualization dashboard. So, dito natin makikita yung real-time position ng satellites natin, which is ngayon is Diwata 2 na lang. We can also see here the maximum elevation, loss of signal, tsaka LOS or acquisition of signal or EOS. So, ito yung mga status na binabato ng satellites natin na makikita natin dito. So, ang pinaka-importante dito is makikita natin siyang gumagalaw pa din. So, ito yung gamit nito. Then, the last screen is called the telemetry demodulation control interface. So, ginagamit natin to for to monitor our satellite and to check certain items like signal to noise ratio or sensitivity. So, yun. Okay, so we will proceed with the other room here. Basically, yung function lang naman ng server room, it serves as the storage for satellite images kasi nga yung mga satellite images na download natin coming from our Earth observation satellites are big, and this is where we stored here. Aside from that, so meron din tayong mga equipments dito wherein ginagamit siya for encoding and decoding satellite data coming from the satellite. Also, we are also using this, some of these servers have installed virtual machines where yung web development team namin, including me, utilizes that. Okay, so we will go now on the upper deck or in the second floor of ASTI. So, yung makikita nyo sa taas is yung ASTI radome and yung ating satellite tracking antenna. Okay, so let's go upstairs here. Alright, so yung makikita nyo dito ngayon na parang malaking golf ball dyan is what we call the radome. So, ano ba yung radome? Yung radome is the enclosure of our satellite tracking antenna. So, this was constructed to protect our satellite tracking antenna for severe weather disturbances. So, it's yan ay gawa sa acrylic and kaya niyang i-withstand yung 175 km per hour na storm or typhoon. So, yun. So, So this is to be the selfie hotspot also nagtutur. Ayan. Okay, so let's go around here. Dito. Okay, so yung makikita niyang dalawang nakatayo dito is yung model natin ng mga weather station. So we have two types here na makikita nyo. So una is yung AWS is or automatic weather stations, and yung pangalawa is yung automated rain gauge. So yung AWS or automatic weather station, it measures the climatic factors such as heat, temperature, humidity, pressure, mga ganon. Then yung automated rain gauge naman, it just measures the amount of rainfall in an area. So these sensors are deployed all over the Philippines. So kung alam nyo, so meron tayong website wherein we can see the data na binabato nitong mga sensors na to. So that's fieldSensors.asti.dost.gov.ph. So ayun. Very beneficial siya for those times na may bagyo dito sa atin. Ayan, so para din ma-complement yung mga space data na tinatanggap natin or na-receive natin. Okay, so let's proceed inside the radome to see the satellite tracking antenna. Alright, so as you can see, so we have the DOST-ASTI's own satellite tracking antenna. So it measures 3.7 meters in size and it moves around 5 degrees per second for pag andyan yung satellite or nasa flyby yung ating satellite. Okay. So as I have mentioned before dun sa mga previous slides, so we have 3 satellite tracking antennas all over the Philippines. So the first one is in this place, o sa ASTI. Yung pangalawa is nasa Davao. The Davao has the largest satellite tracking antenna which measures 7.3 meters. Then the other one is in Dumangas, Iloilo. So kung mapapansin nyo, tatlo yung satellite tracking antenna natin. So bakit nga ba? So ang unang dahilan dyan kasi in case na may mangyari na disaster dito sa Manila, then nasira tong satellite tracking antenna natin, we have a backup to use which is nasa ibang place. Nasa Davao nga, tsaka nasa Iloilo. Okay, so let's go outside. So let's now proceed to the other ground receiving station using this main menu, which is the Davao GRS. Okay, so nasa Davao GRS na tayo. So let's try to explore this. So kung makikita nyo sa scene na to is yung container ba natin o yung operation center natin sa Davao. And then yung satellite tracking antenna natin which is enclosed also in a radome. So ipapasok tayo dito. Okay. Ayan, so makikita nyo yung largest satellite tracking antenna natin which measures 7.3 meters in size. So in terms of functionality, same pa din naman siya with other satellite tracking antennas. Also, install din natin itong mga satellite tracking antenna na to for a wider coverage. Nga pala, so this Davao Ground Receiving Station was inaugurated last November 2019. Yan. Then we have a mini game here. So nilagay lang ng mga developers or namin ito just for the user to have fun other than exploring these the scenes here. So ayan, hindi kayo dyan mag-soccer or maglaro or whatnot, kung ano mang gusto nyo. Then meron tayong mga hidden areas dito na pwede nyo i-explore and see for yourself. So I think this will be an achievement ata in terms of the game. So yun. And then ipapasok tayo dito sa container van. So same setup. So we have also here the workstations and also the server room. Alright, so okay na tayo dito. Okay, we will go next. We in the Iloilo Ground Receiving Station. Okay, so yung Iloilo Ground Receiving Station, as I had said, so located siya in Dumangas, Iloilo. So this facility was funded by JICA. So tayo lang yung nag-ooperate. Ayan. So ito yung satellite tracking antenna niya in actual. So ganun yung itsura niya. And it measures about 3.5 meters in diameter. Right. So yung functionality niya, so under ano pa din kasi development pa din yung site na to, kaya hindi pa siya masyadong functional ngayon. So okay, so if you will go inside, so this is just an model of what the PEDRO Center in Iloilo might look like. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, the usual. So, dito naman, meron tayong dedicated conference room. Ayun nga, sabi ko nga kanina din. So, this site was funded by JICA and managed by us. And meron din participation si ULAT. So, yung project management nitong Iloilo Ground Receiving Station, so yung mga ULAT project managers yung nagmamanage. Then, papasok tayo dito. So, same setup din. So, we have the workstations. Ayun. Okay, workstations and the server room as well. Ayan. Alright, so okay, so let's now proceed with satellite showcase. Ayan. So, dito natin gagawin yung simulation ng mission planning. So, itong model na to, itong room na to is just modeled by yung basis namin dito is yung space labs na meron na nakikita natin sa internet. So, we just make it look like this. Alright. So, let's try to explore first this one. So, ayan. Isa-simulate natin yung mission planning. So, meron tayong parang ganito. Okay, so first, we will choose if our satellite image will be an optical image or a SAR image. So, kung optical image yung gagamitin natin, so which is by the way is yung colored satellite images, and SAR images is just a black and white satellite image kasi ginagamitan siya ng radio waves. And yung kaibahan kasi nung optical with SAR is yung optical, hindi siya makapenetrate dun sa cloud. So, kapag pinicturean ng isang satellite yung area na may clouds, wala kang makikita kundi yung clouds. Whereas yung SAR, nakaka-penetrate siya sa cloud. So, yung though black and white, so by means of radio frequency and radio waves, so makakita natin yung mga structure underlying those clouds or yung mismong area. Yun nga, we have subscribed to some satellite providers wherein they have the capability to take SAR images. So, kasi nga, di ba, Typhoon tayo, so laging maulap. So, we need these satellites. Okay, going back, so, we'll have, for example, we will choose optical image. Then, saan tayo, pipili tayo ng location dito. So, halimbawa, Boracay. So, ayan. Ito yung mga steps na nangyayari when we are uploading the data to the satellite. Right? Upload complete. Then, ito na yung mangyayari sa next satellite pass. So, ganun ulit. So, nag-move yung satellite. Kasi nagre-receive na siya ng data. Dina-download natin. Then, yung downloaded data na yun is kino-convert into a readable data. Ayan. So, after ma-convert, we will process that and ito na. So, maglo-load na yung image natin. Or na-process na yung image natin and ready for distribution to concerned government agencies. Ayan. So, kapag SAR naman, so halimbawa, Taal. bear in mind na yung satellite lang natin na nakakagawa tayo makapag-upload is yung sa Diwata 2. And yung ibang mission partner natin or ibang satellite provider natin, nagpapatas lang tayo sa kanila. So, ayun nga pala. If we will go upstairs here, so makikita natin yung movement ng satellites. So, ayan. Halimbawa, Sinhobasar 1, which is, by the way, meron tayong 10% capacity. Ayan. Parang ganito yung process na visualization na makikita natin sa pag-download at pag-upload ng mga satellite data. Then, ito na yung final product. So, again, kapag mga subscribed satellites lang ang ginagamit natin, so we are asking the satellite provider for us to task or tayo mismo yung nagtatas like with the Korean satellites which are ComSats. Okay, so let's explore our satellite assets beginning here. So, ayan. We have the Maya 1. So, just to familiarize you with what you should do here. So, parang same din, to interact with the objects, you will tap the eye icon here. Pero pagdating dito sa mga satellite, you can move closer here para makita mong mag-animate yung object. Ayan. So, makita mo yung mga parts nila. Okay. Also, you can also jump to see the upper perspective. Ayan. Alright, so, okay. Beginning with, going back again with Maya 1. So, ito yung first CubeSat na ginawa natin for technology demonstration. So, why for technology demonstration? So, for technology demonstration, what I mean is meron silang specific na mga points wherein showcase natin yung mga capabilities ng isang satellite. So, for example, demonstration of data acquisition using store and forward mission or stored and forward mechanism. Then, yung pangalawa is in image and video capture. Meron ding GPS chip demonstration and detection and protection from single event latch up due to space radiation or SEL mission. Then the other one would be magnetic field measurement in space using magnetoresistance sensor. So yun yung mga missions ng ating CubeSat, which is Maya 1. And then this year we have launched together with DOST and Stamina for Space, they have launched successfully Maya 3 and Maya 4. So, yung payloads niya is same with Maya 1. But ang kinaibahan niya lang is yung CubeSats na Maya 3 and Maya 4. So, meron silang NIR. NIR camera. Yung Maya 4 lang pala. So, next one is the PlanetDAB satellite. So, actually, itong PlanetDAB satellites, it is a constellation of satellites. So, maliliit lang siya. But it can take a very clear picture or a very clear satellite image. So, ito yung mga description niya. Then, yung mga payloads, andito din. Wala palang payloads. Only the description. So, yan. So, nakasubscribe din tayo dyan. So, mostly, it is used for daily imaging kung kailangan natin. Ayan. Then we have our very own Diwata 1 which was decommissioned last 2020. And currently in orbit is the Diwata 2. Ayan. Right, so ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung Novasar 1 where we have a 10% imaging capacity and it's considered one of our satellite assets. Okay, it's a SAR satellite with an AIS feature. Ayan. And then we have the GUI 1. one of the largest satellite that we are subscribed to, and it has also a clear satellite optical image. So mataas yung resolution niya. Then we have here the Korean satellites. Wait lang. Yan. Okay, so we have the ComSat 3 and the ComSat 5 from Korean Kari sa South Korea. So okay, so ComSat 3 is optical and ComSat 5 is SAR. Tayo para ito yung perspective. Okay, so then we have the Cosmos SkyMed. Okay, then from the other side we have the last one, I think, which is the Worldview 3, operated and owned by Digital Globe. Also one of the clearest resolution satellite that we are subscribed to. Alright. Then, dito sa corner na to, ito yung Philippine Satellite Watch Showcase, which is currently ongoing pa po. So, meron kaming campaign na tinatawag na Satellite Watch together with Stamina for Space and PhilSA. You can check our Facebook pages to see the latest images or the featured images of the month or the week. So, yan. Dito nyo makikita yung mga nakuha naming mga satellite images with their descriptions. And most of which are very valuable. Ayan. Ayan. So, okay. So, I think that's it for the demo. So, right. Let's exit it. I think we're done for today. So I hope you guys learn something in this tour. Again, I am your virtual tour today, Mark Ivan Kamama, signing off. And magandang agham sa inyong lahat. And salamat po.